What's up, Savvy Expats? So we are gonna go over to track 30th and we're gonna get a workout in. This is just a video to show you guys what daily life could be like for you if you are planning to move to BGC or if you live in BGC right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the route going to track 30th. I'm gonna get our workout in, and it's almost like a little day in the life, sort of. So I apologize if the quality is a little bit bad right now. Turn on some stabilization so it's not shaky for you guys. Check out this view. We're just gonna do a nice little calm walk towards track 30th. Gonna get a good workout in. So here's the thing, we're gonna pass two different parks. Well, we're gonna pass one park. The first park is called Terra 28th. Now you guys have two options. You can either work out at Terra 28th or you can work out at track 30th. Personally, as for me, I choose to work out at track 30th because they have a pull-up bar while Terra 28th doesn't. Most people tend to go to Terra 28th. I like to avoid the crowds. I like to avoid those groups of people because I want to just work out where there's not too many people. So if you're the same like me, I highly suggest you guys go to track 30th as well. So right over here is the financial center. You have a wildflower there and a Starbucks. As you can see, guys, it's a nice calm day here in BGC. It's a Saturday. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. People out running, having a good time. Alright, so now we're approaching Terra 28th. This is BCN. It's I believe it's a French sort of cafe. If you guys like French food, this is an option you can check out. My sister said it's good. Alright, we're gonna cross over here to show you guys a better view of Terra 28th. So yeah, this is one of the routes that you can take depending on where you live in BGC. Obviously, we all probably live in different condos, different areas, so this route might not apply to you. Just to give you guys a general idea what's going on though. Alright. So here you can see a little bit of Terra 28th. As you can see, a little bit crowded. I assume that most people come here because it's close to High Street, so they can go here. And you guys can hardly see though in the back, but there's quite a bit of people out. I think there are people here that do hold personal trainings too. That's interesting. It's a little kind of like a little gym. So there you have it. That's Terra 28th. But we're gonna keep on going forward to the nicer park, in my opinion. I want you guys to comment down below if you've experienced living in BGC before and during the pandemic, and what you guys have noticed and what your thoughts are right now. Personally, for me, don't take this the wrong way, but I like BGC more during the pandemic. Of course, there's a lot of bad things that are happening right now, but that's just my personal preference. I'm not oblivious to what's going on and the hardships that people are going through, but I do enjoy BGC during the pandemic just because I'm not a huge fan of crowds. High Street's less crowded. It seems more calm out nowadays, and just an overall lifestyle that I prefer out here during the pandemic. So now we're headed towards High Street. We're getting closer. Here are some options that you can shop at High Street. You have Bench. There's also Nike there. You have a Krispy Kreme, TGI Fridays, Seattle's best coffee. There is a Tiger Sugar if you like bubble tea down there. There you can see Shangri-La. That way is the Starbucks. You also have a fully booked store, Brothers Burgers, and Italiani's, Italian restaurant. So that's just a few of the options passing by there. If I were to give you guys one tip living in BGC, I like donuts. Do not go to Go Bento, that restaurant right there. Yes, it's more budget friendly, but in my opinion, even if it's cheap, it's not worth it. Okay, we're pretty close to track 30th now. That's for my plan with our workout. We're gonna do maybe 50 to 100 burpees. I've been getting into burpees workouts lately because it's a lot of reps, which I like. It's intense, you don't need any equipment, and it strengthens you mentally. It's one of those workouts that you can't really cheat on, and it's a working man's workout, for lack of a better word. Beautiful building. It almost looks like a building you'd find in Manhattan. Gorgeous. Yeah. So that way is High Street. This way is Track 30th. Gonna get in a sick workout. You guys can follow along if you want to get some. Beautiful day out. People just having a good time. Playing badminton. Nice. And they even have some like karate lessons back there. That's sick. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the back of the park where there's less people. And that's where I like to work out. Alright, screw this string. I'm not walking all the way down. We're gonna cut through. Look at this, guys. Isn't it beautiful? It's like BGC version of Central Park. I am working out a little bit later in the day than I would like to. Right now it's we're approaching 10 o'clock, so I would highly suggest, at least from what I've found lately, a good time to come out and work out is 8 or 9 a.m. 7 a.m. if you can. But towards 10, that's when most people start coming out. Maybe because that's a little bit after their breakfast time. So we're gonna be working out where there's, I guess, quite a bit of people already. This is the workout area. As you can see, they have pull-up bars. And these log stuff. This is the pull-up bar that I work out on. We're gonna just be set off right over here. Water. Jumping rope. I might cut out a lot of it because it's kind of a long workout. Alright, we're gonna go for 5 minutes. I don't know what the heck just happened, guys. My jump rope literally just snapped. I've been using this for like, we had this jump rope for like 5 years, so I'm not surprised. All right, let's move straight into the burpees. Alright, I finished the first set, which was just a set of 25 reps, and it's going to be a while because I'm going to go to 100 reps, so I'll record the last set of 25 and then we'll move on to pull-ups. So I changed spots, I'm in the shade now, and we're on our last set, 25 reps. All right, so we did 4 sets of 25 reps. So we did 100 burpees, just 2 push-ups, 2 squats on each. I highly suggest that workout if you guys are either just trying to gain stamina, do some conditioning, and lose some weight or some fat. That's a fat shredder. Burpees is the best workout. Now we're gonna move on to 50 pull-ups. All right, give you guys a good idea of the park ambiance. I'd say it'd be peaceful if the landscaping wasn't going on, but as you can see, here we have the pull-up bar. This is what we're gonna be working on today. Just a really sick idea to make something like this. But there you have it. Let's go for 5 sets of 10. So we're on the last 10 to get to 50 pull-ups, and yesterday I failed to do 10 in a row on my last set. So today I'm gonna hold myself accountable, trying to get to 10 pull-ups in a row without stopping, getting us to 50. Let's go. So I might have to kick my legs, but no matter what, we have to get to 10, even if it's sloppy. I think I did an extra one, but it was very sloppy. That's right, we got to 10, workout complete. So if you guys enjoyed that walking tour and workout video, hit that like button. Let's try and get this video to 50 likes so that we can do more of these walking tours. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll probably do more of this kind of content, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.